Hi, here we have this Scorpion XO 491 Crypta helmet, and we just bought a pinlock for it. A pinlock is a fog resistant lens, so when you're breathing and you flip down the visor, it doesn't get foggy and you can still see. This is how to install it. They also have a video with the installation process, and this is the pinlock clear visor. Let's install it. First, remove the visor of your helmet. On both sides, to remove the visor, you have to push this little lever up. And this lever right here, the big one, is for that if you push it up, then it will lock the visor so wind can't open it up. You have to clean the visor very thoroughly and very carefully so it doesn't get scratched. There are two types of pin locks. The cheaper ones are just fixed, and these that have a screw are eccentric, so you can adjust them. So after some time, if the pin lock gets old and doesn't want to seal properly anymore, you can tighten it with the screw. Wipe the visor very dry and make sure there are no fingerprints or anything on it, especially the inside. Now take the pin lock, orient it the correct way with the logo facing out. Here is the rubber seal that keeps the water and everything out. Bend the visor apart like this, then install the pin lock. Now make sure it seals properly. Make sure there are no air bubbles or anything. Then remove the protective layer. And done. Now the pin lock is installed. To put the visor back, repeat the process, but the other way around. So, hold the little lever, put it back, then release. You have to snap the visor back into place, basically. Now that it's installed, your visor should not fog up anymore. You can also keep your visor unlocked if you want a little more air going inside the helmet, like this. Don't close it fully, just leave a tiny gap. as you can see, the air can still slightly get in. And this part is so you don't blow hot air from your nose onto the visor. You can also remove this.